Hello, learners. Welcome back to Fluent Fury. In today's episode, I will tell you how to learn English naturally. So, listen to this very carefully. You do not need a teacher, you do not need a classroom, and you don't need perfect grammar. You just need one simple habit: mirror English practice. Mirror English means this: you listen and you repeat, just like a mirror. When you hear English, your mouth learns the sound, your ears learn the rhythm, and your brain learns the pattern. This is how children learn language. They don't study rules, they copy sounds. When you repeat English again and again, your tongue becomes flexible, your pronunciation becomes clear, and your confidence grows. At first, it may feel strange. Your voice may sound weak. You may make mistakes, but that is okay. Mistakes means you are learning. Don't stop the audio. Don't translate in your head. Just listen and repeat. Even if you don't understand everything, your brain is still working in the background. 10 minutes a day is enough, but do it every day. Every day a little. With mirror practice, English slowly becomes natural. You stop thinking, you start speaking. Your mouth speaks before fear comes. So today, make a promise to yourself. I will listen, I will repeat, and I will trust the process. English is not hard. It just needs the right method. And mirror English practice is that method. Now take a deep breath and put on your headphones. And let me show you how to do mirror English practice the right way. If you follow these steps, your English will slowly change. Not overnight, but in a real and natural way. Stay with me and trust the process. Step 1: choose easy English audio. This is where most people make mistakes. They choose very fast English. They choose very difficult words. They feel confused, and that is not their fault. That is the wrong choice. Easy English is smart. Choose audio that you can understand, at least a little. Look for clear pronunciation. Look for calm speakers. Look for short video. 1 to 3 minutes is enough. You do not need long videos. Short audio works better. Your brain learns better when it is not tired. So remember, easy, clear, and short. Step 2: listen first. This is very important. Do not skip it. Many learners want to speak immediately, but first you must listen. Listening prepares your brain. Listening prepares your mouth. Listening prepares your ears. So press play and just listen. Do not read subtitles. Do not pause. And do not repeat. Just listen and feel the sound. How do the words flow? Feel the speed. Is it slow or is it normal? Feel the emotion. Is the speaker happy, calm, or serious? Language is not only words, language is emotion. When you listen carefully, your brain starts copying patterns. This happens naturally. You do not need to force it. Just listen. One time is enough. Step 3: play it again. Now, this time you will speak. Play the same audio again. Now repeat. Repeat with the speaker. Not before, not after. Together. Same speed, same tone, and same rhythm. Do not stop the audio. Do not pause after every word. English is not spoken word by word. English flows, so let it flow. If you miss a word, keep going. This is very important. Do not go back. Do not feel bad. Missing words is normal. Your goal is not perfection. Your goal is movement. Keep your voice moving. This builds fluency. Repeat the full audio even if it feels difficult. Step 4: use your mouth fully. This step changes everything. Many learners speak very quietly. They speak inside their mouth. That does not work. English is a language. You must open your mouth, move your lips, use your tongue, and feel the words physically. This trains your muscles. Speaking is muscle training, just like gym. So speak clearly. Even your pronunciation is wrong. Wrong pronunciation is better than no pronunciation. And do not whisper. Use your real voice. Hear yourself. Your ears will correct you slowly. Step 5. Repeat one audio many times. This step is about focus. Many learners listen to many audios, but they never repeat. That slows progress. Choose one audio today. Repeat it 3 times, even 5 times if you want. Each time you feel improvement. Words become easier. Speed feels slower. This is progress. Slowly, day by day, your English will change. You may not notice it daily, but after some days, you will feel something. You understand more. You speak faster. You feel lighter. One day, you will notice something special. You are speaking without fear. Words come out without translation. You are not thinking. You are speaking. That moment changes everything. That is the power of mirror English practice. Remember, you are not bad at English. You just need the right method and consistency. And mirror practice is that method. No teacher, no classroom, no fear. Just you, your voice, and English.